In this video, we listed the 5 best AZDOME 4K Dashcam on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AZDOME M5 AC Dashcam. The AZDOME M5 AC Dashcam is a high-performance device designed to capture detailed video recordings of your journeys, featuring a 5K front camera and flexible recording options, including 4K along with 1080p for both rear and interior camera configurations. Equipped with a 4-inch touch screen, the Dashcam offers user-friendly access to its settings and features. Advanced connectivity is ensured through built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for rapid video downloads and efficient data sharing. Safety features include a built-in GPS for tracking routes, a 24-hour parking monitor with collision detection, and a G-sensor that automatically locks and saves emergency footage in case of accidents. The device operates on a supercapacitor for reliability. However, connecting it to the vehicle's battery via an optional hardwired kit, not included, is recommended for optimal performance. With its high-resolution capabilities and smart safety features, the AZDOME M5 AC Dashcam is an essential accessory for any driver seeking to enhance their vehicle's security and capture every moment on the road. Number 2. AZDOME M550 4K Dashcam. The AZDOME M550 4K Dashcam is a cutting-edge vehicle recording device designed to capture high-resolution video and enhance driver safety. With a remarkable 4K UHD resolution of 3840x2160p, powered by the Novatec NT96670 processor, and featuring a sophisticated 6-glass wide-angle lens with a 150 degrees field of view, it ensures detailed footage day and night, thanks to its super night vision capabilities with a wide f1.8 aperture. The device is equipped with essential safety features, including built-in GPS for tracking routes, 24-hour parking monitoring that activates with a G-sensor upon impact, and motion detection to capture activities around the vehicle. Moreover, it offers seamless connectivity through built-in Wi-Fi, enabling users to control the camera with the AZDOME app and manage recordings easily. The Dashcam supports loop recording and can accommodate up to 256 GB of external memory, ensuring a continuous and comprehensive monitoring experience for drivers, making it an ideal choice for both safety and convenience on the road. Number 3. AZDOME 11.8-inch Mirror Dashcam. The AZDOME Dashcam PG17 is a sophisticated driving safety tool that features dual 1080p high-definition cameras, capturing clear footage of both the front and rear view of your vehicle. It is equipped with an 11.8-inch IPS anti-glare full-touch screen, allowing users to easily navigate through features and switch camera views effortlessly. The Dashcam excels in low-light conditions thanks to its enhanced super night vision capabilities and f1.8 aperture, ensuring sharp images at night. Additional features include loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest footage while safeguarding locked videos, and a parking assistance mode that activates when reversing for safer maneuvering. Its easy strap-type installation allows for a seamless setup without needing to remove the factory rearview mirror, and it includes a variety of accessories for added convenience. With a 1-year warranty and a 30-day return policy, the AZDOME Dashcam PG17 is designed to provide reliable performance and greater peace of mind for drivers. Number 4. AZDOME M550 Pro Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro Cam is a high-performance car recording device designed to enhance driving safety through advanced features. It supports 4K recording with options for capturing video from 3 channels, including front, rear, and cabin perspectives, making it suitable for a variety of driving scenarios. With built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, users can quickly download videos, while the integrated GPS tracks speed and location for added security. The Dashcam includes a 64 GB TF card and offers impressive night vision capabilities thanks to its sophisticated sensors, allowing for clear recordings in low light. Additionally, it features a 24-hour parking monitor with collision detection and time-lapse recording modes. Compatible with multiple languages and built to withstand varying weather conditions, This portable recorder caters to diverse user needs and includes extensive safety functionalities like G-sensor, waterproofing, and a wide dynamic range. Overall, the AZDOME M550 Pro is designed to provide reliable evidence during emergencies and ensure a safer driving experience. Number 5. AZDOME M300 S4K Dashcam. The AZDOME M300 S Dashcam is a high-performance car DVR designed to enhance driving safety and capture critical footage. It features impressive 4K, 3840x2160p, resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, ensuring clear visibility of license plates and road signs. Equipped with built-in GPS and 5.8G Wi-Fi, users can easily access and view recordings in real-time via the AZDOME app, while the voice control feature allows hands-free operation for added convenience. The dual dashcam boasts a 170 degrees wide-angle lens and superior night vision capabilities, making it effective in various lighting conditions. Additionally, it includes a free 64GB microSD card, supports loop recording, and offers a 24-hour parking monitor that automatically activates when a collision is detected. The robust design is compact, weighing 320g and supports extreme temperatures ranging from -20 to 70, backed by a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable option for capturing vital driving moments.